Welcome back. Another beautiful evening here. So today we are gonna do our first cook. I bought some chicken breast and we're gonna smoke that. That's my first time I'm trying. I read about it. I got some tips how to make it so juicy and tasty. So we're gonna do that. I just marinated the meat. I'm gonna show you that right now. First thing, we're gonna switch on the smoker, set it at 225. I'm gonna preheat, and once it reaches that temperature, I'm gonna put the meat in. So here I switched on the griller. Currently I set it at 225 Fahrenheit, and the actual temperature is shown there, 53. Let's have a closer look. Okay, I'm gonna leave it running. I've set the time. It just switched on at 5:19. Let's see how many minutes would it take to reach 225. Just started seeing the smoke. I don't know if you can see it on the video right there. So I know that it's on now, and let's have a look at the chicken while this preheats. So here I got some chicken breast from Costco and I marinated it. Let's see, first I used some cayenne pepper, some salt, and some garlic, again from Costco. And here I marinated this chicken for 2 to 3 hours, so soon it's gonna be on the smoker. So it took 10 minutes and my actual temperature is showing 225, almost there. It was showing 225 and then 2 degrees down. That's okay. I'm gonna plug in the temperature probe and then put the meat. I'm gonna bring the meat now. Okay, time to put some meat. Now I'm gonna set the prop to the biggest 2 meat pieces. The first one is this. I think this is the biggest, the second biggest. Good. So currently the temperature is reading 54 and 58. So it's all set. You don't want to leave the door open for long, so I'm gonna close it. As you can see, the temperature is already dropped drastically to 178. So it's gonna take a few minutes to be back to 225, and yeah, I can see the temperature probe A and B. So I'm aiming at 150 degrees. So it's a waiting game, and we'll come back when it's ready. I also want to show you the time. It's 5:37 in the evening. Again, another cold evening here. The deers, a lot of deer was here till now. I saw around 15 or 20. It was right here looking at me. I think they ran away as soon as I switched on the smoker. It doesn't like the sound of the smoker for some reason. At least it's new to them. They're getting used to the sound. But they were here for almost 6-7 minutes. Okay, it's almost 1 hour and the probe is reading 100 degrees each, 100 and 103. So I'm gonna quickly flip the meat. That's gonna ensure some even cooking. So I have to be really quick, because if you leave the lid open for a while, it's gonna lose 50 degrees maybe, and it takes time to get back to 225. So I'll try to be quick. Let's see. If you can see it, let me zoom in. That's it. The temperature went down to 210. Oh, sorry for that camera. Oh, it's reducing. Okay, it looks like it settled at 198. Not bad. Oh, good. It's picking up. Back to 200. So let's leave it running, and I'll wait till the probe A and B reaches 150. We'll be back. Okay, here's an update. It's 2 hours and 40 minutes. Now the last 15 minutes I cranked up the temperature to 450. So it was going on, I increased to 250, and then the last 20 minutes I increased to 450. The internal temperature sounds good. I'm waiting for probe A to touch 165, and then we'll switch it off. Yo, that's 165. So let's open and see. I'm gonna switch off now. Chicken looks good. I'm gonna take it out of the fire, and I'll rest it for a few minutes. Let's have a look again. It's sizzling. Okay, time to take it out of the fire. Smells good. Look at that, nice and juicy. It's dripping oil or whatever, the juices. Got the prop. Gonna cover it up. So we're gonna cover this. We're gonna throw this back into the smoker. So we are going to leave it for a few minutes. I would say 10 minutes, 15 minutes at least. It's completely off now. The auger is on, and then it will be completely off. So I'm gonna use that same heat. Okay, we're gonna open this. Yeah, go ahead. Look at that chicken, nice and juicy. Let me zoom in and see. You could see a lot of juice inside, underneath. Okay, we're going to check the internal temperature first. Okay, it's showing 150 degrees now. That's good. Okay, we are going to brush the barbecue sauce. So So can you show what it is first? What brand it is? Okay, that's good. So we put some barbecue sauce and just brushing it on top. Look at that, that looks good, really. Can't wait to taste it. So let's cut it and see whether it's juicy. Yeah, you could cut one more piece in the middle if you can. Yeah, let's have a closer look. Look at those pieces. Is it juicy? Oh, I can't wait to taste that. Yeah, that seems to be juicy. Let's have a look at it. Let me take the thickest piece and oh, it's dripping. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's dripping juice and it looks very moist.
Can you see here? This one is having so much juice in.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, the juices are locked in.
Look at my hand. That's really good. I think you did a good job.
You did a good job. It looks really good.
It's teamwork, yeah. Okay,
there it is.
So thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Hit a like button. That really helps me to produce more videos. So here's the chicken without the barbecue sauce. But look at the juice. So anyway, cheers guys. See you guys next time. Bye for now.